Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this blur face tracking effects video in InShot. Open InShot and add your video into the timeline. So here's the video we will use for this tutorial. Now go to sticker, select detail and select mosaic for the face tracking. Adjust the mosaic and place it on the objects you want to track. Clip it to the end. Now add a keyframe at the beginning. Play the video and begin to place the mosaic on the face you are tracking. So this will automatically add a keyframe at each point. Finally, split and delete the parts you don't want from the video. So here's the final result. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more InShot tutorials.